Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can download the clock app in iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply press on your app store, and there you need to select on the search button. So once you do this, on the search bar simply type in clock. So once you do this, you will get the official clock app. Tap on the cloud-like icon, and once you press on it, it will start to get downloaded in your iPhone. Once the clock app simply gets downloaded, it will then start to get installed in your device as well. So once the downloading process is over and your installing process is also over, you will end up with the open button where you need to simply press on to open your clock. So in this way you can download clock in your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.